Today, we're excited to introduce a complete reimagining of vector editing in Framer, allowing you to seamlessly draw and edit paths anywhere on the canvas, build and scale cohesive icon libraries, and create next-level animations and micro-interactions without ever leaving Framer, or writing a single line of code. The new Vector menu gives you everything you need to create and edit logos, icons, and illustrations directly on the canvas, anywhere you can insert layers. We know you love designing from scratch in Framer, so proper native vector editing is key for keeping your workflow clean. And as your projects grow, keeping cohesive sets of graphics organized and easily accessible can become more of a challenge, which is exactly why we're introducing vector sets. A vector set now allows you to bundle together groups of vector graphics, giving you a brand new browsing and search experience, and a dedicated canvas to create and edit beautifully consistent sets of icons, along with the added power and flexibility of variables to make your icons even more customizable. You'll find a new Vectors section on the Assets panel where you can insert, edit, or create new vector sets. Or if you've already started drawing on the canvas, you can just right-click and choose Create Vector Set. Or, if you've already got a set of SVG icons on your computer, you can now drag them directly onto the canvas, and Framer will turn them into a new vector set automatically in one step. You'll be brought into a dedicated canvas with all the vector tools you might need, and an Add button to continue growing the set. And when you insert a vector set on a page, you'll get a whole new visual browsing and search experience that makes it incredibly easy to find the right icon. Vector sets also support variables, like stroke color or opacity, for example, to give you as much flexibility as you need to customize each instance of an icon. And by combining multiple properties, you could easily create duotone or multicolored icons from a single vector set. And of course, each instance is easily scalable. We've also gone ahead and revamped the icon sets available in the Insert menu, all with the new browsing experience. Vector sets also unlock a brand new animation effect, the stroke effect, which gives you entirely new properties to animate the length, gap, and offset of a path, plus 3 unique ways to make it loop, unlocking a whole new level of animation in Framer. You can create an infinite logo animation, bring icons and illustrations to life, or create beautiful micro interactions with just a few clicks. And that's Vectors. Inline editing, vector sets, and brand new stroke animations. An all new design experience. Now in Framer.